Who are you?
I'm a groundhog. Groundhogs are big rodents. We're also called woodchucks.
Where do you live?
We live near fields and meadows. We usually stay close to forests.
What do you eat?
We like grasses, plants, and fruit. Sometimes we eat tree bark or bugs, too.
You eat a lot.
We eat a lot in summer and fall. But we don't eat during winter. Groundhogs hibernate all winter long.
Do you ever climb trees?
Yes, we climb trees and bushes. We can swim, too.
Who are your enemies?
Bears and foxes hunt us. So do wolves and birds. We hide from enemies underground.
Do you dig holes?
Yes, groundhogs are good diggers. We use our claws to dig deep holes. Our holes have rooms and tunnels. Here comes a fox! Time to hide!
Goodbye, Groundhog!